ang 3 bagay na natutunan ko tungkol sa weight loss pagkatapos ng ilang taon ng pag-yo-yo diet. The faster you lose weight, the longer it actually takes. Because you will likely gain all the weight back plus more. Ang sustainable na weight loss ay kalahati hanggang 1 kilo kada linggo. Shortcuts and quick fixes may work, but it doesn't mean that it will give you long-term results. Pangalawa, pwede ka pa rin kumain ng pagkain na gusto mo kahit gusto mo mag-lose ng weight. Totoo to. Kasi kailangan yung mga ginagawa natin para mag-lose ng weight ay gagawin rin natin pagka na-lose na natin yung weight. And if your diet plan requires you to cut out all the joy in your life, you're probably not going to be able to stick with it. And number 3, it shouldn't be weight loss at all costs. Losing weight doesn't automatically improve health, especially because it depends on behaviors. Dahil kung nag-over-exercise tayo at sobrang kulang tayo sa kinakain, nasistress natin ang ating katawan. Nasubukan ko na lahat ng diet at mga produkto para sa weight loss. And it is so tempting to do them because diet culture tells us that we should lose weight as fast as possible. Kaya kahit gaano kagusto natin imadali yung proseso, paalala lang na ang pinaka-importante ay aalagaan natin ang ating sarili. Deserve natin kumain! Ngayon, magla-lunch na kami.